Hey there! Today we're making something quick, colorful, and full of flavor. Chicken street noodles with basil cucumber salad. Asian sweet chili sauce. Add brown sugar, soy sauce, rice vinegar. Mix it a half to chicken. Another a half add coconut milk. Meanwhile, cut cabbage, unsalted peanuts, basil, boil whole wheat spaghetti noodles. Stir a chicken in the pan. Remove chicken from a pan. Next, we'll throw in some garlic, chili, and a splash of soy sauce. That smell? Oh, that's magic already. For our fresh side, we're slicing cucumber thin and tossing it with basil, lime juice, and a little sugar and chili flakes. And that's it. Simple ingredients, bold flavor, and ready in minutes. Serve it up, top with fresh herbs, and enjoy your homemade street-style noodles. Because cooking at home should always be easy, tasty, and homemade.